Boss?
Sa ating mga SK officials, i-facilitate Dole Pag Parade.
Nabot ang kamera. Yan na, umpisa na yung parade. Oh, ako gising lagi oh. Ha? Tiyambolo na?
Tiyambolo na.
Gayot anang ano ah. Gayo? Gayo. Abo, kali players man ah.
Doon si Bagara.
Pugo siguro. Pugo.
Pugo nga.
Oo. Emang kakuro kelima kakuro.
Gayot apa?
Ah. Kurog ng lima ha.
Gabi ka kinuwan gabi.
Kurog ng lima ne.
Sobrahan it kwan ron.
Wa pa katagay hay. Kaway sa vloggers. Này bố gỗ, vào cái liền này bố gỗ. Đó.
Layo kaya.
Kan kata dapat ka na no?
Okay, pin band.
Kata.
Panaton lang ron masugod. Uli siguro aton. Ano na lagohan? Doon. Namit ng uniform mo ah. Kita na ba?
Kita apa kan dengan bigyan mas niya.
Ay, katasig na ako pangani. Yate ra. Okay yan. Uy.
Mios nang singay.
Ito, dikit-dikit yun.
Dutan yun. Budot!
Oh, wait lang.
Kaway mandot?
Ay, wala.
Krete ta.
Tukor?
Pilat ang katimang ra, krete. Wa ka po ga.
Yaro, bukid. Ay, aron sa likod.
Kaway kay. Hello kay.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ano nga, Pao? Ay, alinda. Kataba.
Mas dulu. Lihat eh. Overall Anda ho?
Next team is also came from Barangay Singa. Team di among mga barangay. Jabalion team. Winner coach. Okay, last but not the least, our team from Barangay Kabangahan. Winner coach, Mr. Richard I, with the 10th captain, Brian Nielo, together with our muse, Miss Caroline Navarro. From Kabangahan, hip hip. Ay, ganyan na sa hip hip. Okay, thank you very much sa ating teams. Okay lang, bitaw niyo kami mag-stay ha kasi may atong na short program. So, yung pangnawagan sa ating mga barangay officials, tumiyaw di man ka mo i-occupy natin the seats di kara sa frente sa stage. Ay, start kita. Honorable Ronilo R. Bukay, watangali imaya, to our SK chairperson, our SK officials, headed by Honorable Jonah Na Igribukay, visitors, participating teams, spectators, friends, at especially kids sa ako mga kabarangay Singay, mayad-ayad nga agahon katuntanan. And welcome sa Barangay Singay Enter Barangay Basketball League in honor of our 2024 Barangay Singay Religious Fiesta. And to start with, may I request everyone to please stand for our opening prayer.
We thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Kindly remain standing for the singing of our Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Palakpak! Asos, mahina. Okay, with our playing coach, Mr. Eutequio Nilyaska Jr., team captain, Kate Ray Nilyaska, and with the news, April Ismondo. Okay? So man, palakpakan! Barangay Tinapay Team. Next. Pangitan Team, with the coach, Mr. Bimbam Nadwa and Justini Nalumen, with their team captain, Marlo J. Lusada, together with their muse, Larissa G. Navarra. Baskog man palakpak. Agad ganahan do atong mga teams maghampang later on. Okay, next is ating nga team or the Dagitan Basketball Club with our coach, Mr. Rob Harold Nabida, together with team captain Raymark De Los Reyes. Ay, madluaan ka sa nakanindong chance na mag-out sa best news. Iwasan ka ng galitan ng news. Again, a round of applause for the Dagitan Basketball Club. Thank you for coming. Then next, from Barangay Luguhan, the compound team with our coach, Mr. Sunny Sonio, with our team captain, Jo Marie Francisco, and together with our muse, Micah and Onyo. Thank you very much, guys, for joining and coming in our league. Next is the team from our very own from Barangay Team Singay Bowlers with their team captain, Mr. Moriel Enerio, and together with the Muse, Miss Villalyn Navarra. Ay, palakpak, mga tagasilan! Okay. Medyo biased naman awa. Mayroon ba karon? Next team is from Barangay Ginatuan with their coach, Mr. Brandon Patricio, together with the team captain, Mr. Harwin Nalayon, together with our muse, Miss Kia Hart Villanueva. Okay. Ma-picture anay sa the remembrance. Thank you very much, Barangay Ginatuan. Then we have a team from Barangay Katabana with our coach, Mr. Jong Mamagat, together with our team captain, Mr. Rasto Ngingala, together with our muse, Miss Stephanie Rocco. Okay, thank you very much, Barangay Katabana. Next, another team from our very own barangay, the Balion team, with our coach, Mr. Mamelton Nava, together with the team captain, Mr. Marlon Nava, and with our muse, Miss Laronay Nama. Grabe, kakuha, dalawang atin sa singay. Bugok sanay! Thank you very much, Balion team. Next, last but not the least, we have the team from Barangay Kabangan with our coach, Mr. Richie Namay, with our team captain, Brian Yelo, together with our muse, Caroline Nabay. Okay, kahit dahil wasan daw, pangmalaka